Hi, this is our 4G camera V44G, and this camera you can connect with the 4G SIM, and this is the micro SD card. Now I will let you know how to, you know, uh, how to connect this camera. So here you can see that this is the camera slot. So here you can see that I have inserted the SIM card, and this is the micro SD card. Now I will turn on this camera. Here is the turn on switch. This one I will press over here.
Camera is starting now. Please wait.
Now you can see the prompt.
SD card connected. The network is connecting.
You can
Please
see the
wait.
prompt.
4G network connection succeeded.
Now you can see the prompt, and here this is our ezykam app. So I'm gonna open this. This is my device screen, and I will go to the plus sign. Click on the plus sign. Here you can see all the camera, and our camera name is V44G. This is our camera V44G. So I'm gonna now scan now. You have to scan this QR code. So this camera has scanned the QR code. Now it will add. Actually, this is the camera. Now you can see in that the V44G is added. Now I need to.
Device added successfully.
Now you can see the live view. Here is the live view, and if I click on this three dot, here you can see the settings. This is the format the memory card. Now the camera is online. So this is how you can connect this V44G into the ezykam app, and once the camera is the memory card is formatted, then I will put this camera on the continuous mode.
SD card connected.
Now you can see that the SD card connected. Now I will go to this power mode, and I will check the working mode here, the power saving mode. So I need to connect it to the continuous mode. So this is how. Now you can see the camera is online.